A beautiful bird lived in a cage. The bird loved to sing. It sang every morning. The bird catcher heard the song. He wanted to catch the bird. One day he caught the bird. The bird became very sad. It missed its freedom. The bird catcher took the bird home. The bird stopped singing. The bird catcher asked why it was sad. The bird said it missed the forest. It wished to fly again. The bird remembered its happy days. It thought about its mistake. The bird had not been careful. It learned an important lesson. We should think before we act. Carelessness can bring trouble. The moral of the story is learn from the past and be wise. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.